Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of what is a snapshot in Google Cloud Platform, why is a snapshot is required in GCP. Apart from this, I'll guide you where can you use snapshot in Google Cloud Platform projects. Guys, let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, what is a snapshot in Google Cloud Platform? In Google Cloud Platform, a snapshot is a point in time copy of contents of a persistent disk. It captures the entire state of a disk, including the operating system, application, and data. Snapshot can be used to backup data, create new disk, or restore data to a previous state. There are two types of snapshot in Google Cloud Platform: standard snapshot and archive snapshot. Standard snapshot are the most common type of snapshot. They are inexpensive and easy to use. Archive snapshot are more durable than standard snapshot. They are stored in different location and are less likely to the loss of event of a disaster. However, they are more expensive than standard snapshot. Guys, I'll guide you why is a snapshot required in Google Cloud Platform. Snapshots are essential in Google Cloud Platform for several critical reasons that contribute to data protection, disaster recovery, and efficient management of persistent disk. You know guys, the data protection snapshot provide a reliable way to protect the data from loss or corruption. They capture the entire state of a disk, including the operating system, application, and data at a specific point in time. This allows you to revert a previous state if any issue arises, ensuring that integrity and preventing irreversible losses. Snapshot serve as a safeguard against that loss due to the various reasons like human error, software bugs, or system failure. They provide an additional layer of protection to your valuable data. Data backup and recovery. Snapshot provide a reliable and point-in-time copy your persistent disk data. This enables you to back off critical data in case of accidental deletion or corruption. You can restore the disks to a previous known good state. As you know guys, the application and development and testing environment. Create a development testing environment. Snapshot can be used to create a isolated development and testing environment by cloning the production disk and creating snapshot. You can create an environment where developer can test a new code without affecting the production data. Rollback to previous version. Guys, you know the snapshot allows you to roll back to the previous version of your application. If you make a change that cause problem, you can easily roll back to the previous snapshot. Test, upgrade, and patches. Snapshot can be used to test, upgrade, and patches by creating a snapshot before applying an upgrade or patch. You can revert to the previous state if there are any problem. In disaster recovery guys, you know the snapshot plays a crucial role in disaster recovery strategy. In the event of disaster such as hardware failure, cyber attack, snapshot enable you to quickly restore data and application to the functional state. This minimize downtime and business disruption, allowing you to resume the operation swiftly. As you know guys, migration and data transfer. Snapshot simplifies the process of migration data and application across the zone, regions, or even different cloud providers. By creating a snapshot of disk, you can easily transfer data to new location without disrupting ongoing operation. This flexibility is particularly useful for expanding cloud infrastructure or switching to a different cloud platform. Global availability. You know guys, the snapshot can be created from disk in any GCP region or zone. This allows you to create a backup or replicate data across different geographical locations for redundancy and disaster recovery. Efficient use of storage, guys, the snapshot are using for incremental approaching to backup. Only the data that has changed since the previous snapshot is captured. This minimizes the storage cost and reduce the time required to create backup. Snapshot can be used as basis for creating a new disk in different regions or zone. This enables you to replicate data for redundancy and compliance purposes. Security and compliance. Snapshots are encrypted by default, providing an added layer of security. They help meet compliance requirement by ensuring that is protect data and recoverable. Now guys, I hope so you can understand why a snapshot is required in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, as you can see here, where can you use the snapshot in GCP? Basically guys, snapshot can be used in a variety of ways in Google Cloud Platform. Here are some specific examples. As you can see here, create a new disk, restore a disk, create template, clone a disk, create backup, migration, testing and more. Guys, you can create a new disk from a snapshot. This is useful if you want to create a new disk with the same configuration as an existing disk. You can restore a disk from a snapshot. This is useful if you want to restore a previous state. And guys, you can create a template from snapshot. This is useful if you want to create a template that can be used to create a new disk with the same configuration as the snapshot. You can clone a disk from a snapshot. This is useful if you want to create a copy of a disk. You can create a backup of a disk to a snapshot. This is useful if you want to have a backup of your data in case of disaster. Snapshot allows you to roll back changes made to a disk to a previous state, and this can helpful if you make a configuration changes that causes problem or if you accidentally delete files or data. And as you know guys, the testing new configuration, you can create a snapshot of a disk, then make changes to the configuration of the disk. If you do not like the changes, you can restore the disk to the snapshot. Migrating data, you can create a snapshot of a disk, then migrate to the data to a different disk or to a different cloud platform. Snapshots simplify the process of migrating data and application across the zone, regions, even the different cloud provider. Sharing data, guys, you can create a snapshot of a disk, then share it with other users. You can share the snapshot with other projects or user in your GCP organization. Archiving data, you can use to archive snapshot to a archive data that you need to keep for a long period of time but do not need to access frequently. Archive snapshots are stored in a more durable, less expensive storage location than standard snapshot. Disaster recovery, guys, the snapshot plays a crucial role in disaster recovery plan. In the event of a hardware failure, natural disaster and cyber attack, snapshot enable you to quickly restore data and application to a functional state, minimizing the downtime and business disruption. And compliance auditing, guys, the snapshot can be used to comply with the data retention policies and auditing requirement. By keeping the snapshot of your disk, you can provide evidence of the state of your data at a specific point in time. Guys, now I hope so you can understand where can you use the snapshot in Google Cloud Platform. Thank you and have a great day.